Konnichiwa mina watashi no nama wa imasu desu. Kyo wa atarashi video gari masu. Shikai zo ni zene kai kana inuro sasegimashu. Daddy Yeshu subute ne kansha sema. So that is in Japanese. In English it will be hello everyone. My name is Imasco. We got a brand new video for you today. But before that, let's say open prayer. Daddy just thank you for everything. So today we're going to be learning 5 basic Japanese words. Why did I say 5 basic Japanese words? So let me clean everything. Then we'll start writing them. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to be writing them in, I think, Hiragana. So the first one, so I don't block what I'm writing. This is usually Japanese vowels. Let me check my book to be sure that I'm writing the correct book of Japanese learning. Okay? It's not actually A-I-U-E-O, but let's just say A-I-U-E-O, so you can have an understanding. But saying A-I-U-E-O actually sends in English. It's not actually going to be right. But then, so let's start writing it. We'll start the pronunciation later. Well, let's write it in Hiragana. This one goes like this. Yeah, they didn't get it. It's kind of been a long time. I've written I think it's close to it. This one is something like this, and this one is something like this, and this one is something like this, then this last one. Yes, I got it right. So the pronunciation now, this one is more of saying how to use English reference. Now, so English reference, if you take the word hot, H-O-T, like the food is hot. So the way you say hot, 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 oh, hot, hot, oh. So it's more like the hot in all from what I like research. So it will be the pronunciation will be oh. So this first one sounds oh. It's not ah, this is not English Japanese, it's oh. And this second one is like saying the letter E in English. So it sounds something like E. This one is E, this one is O, this one is O, this one is E, this is O, this is E. So the third one now, something like ooh. The way you say like zoo, yeah, so it's ooh. So we take the word zoo as reference, then ooh. So the way you say zoo, ooh, so that it is ooh. So this sound is ooh as a third vowel, and the fourth vowel will be eh, eh, eh. This is eh. Take letter E. This is eh. Make sure this one is correct. It's correct. Eh. Then finally the third one be O. Like the way you take your English O. So it be O. So this is O. This is like the O in hot. So O, E, U, E, O. Bro, let's try that again. This is O, E, U, E, O, E, U, E, O, E, U, E, O, E, U, E, E, U, E, O. So that is it. So that is what we call the 5 basic Japanese vowels. This writing is in Hiragana. All this is in Hiragana. That is the writing. It's also katakana, but let's start small. And it's also kanji. I think kanji is the combination of these two. Hiragana, katakana. Those are like the writing systems in Japanese. So this we got Japanese vowels. That are the 5 basic ones. So this is O, this is E, this is U, this is E, O. Thanks so much for watching. Keep on doing more videos like this because I love Japanese, I love anime, I love Japanese culture. Subscribe. Bye. God loves you.